How to set C translation on Facebook app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set C translation on Facebook app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that your Facebook app is up to date to its latest version. For that, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store, and after you're there, simply search for Facebook. So let me just search for Facebook here, and there, if you see an update button instead of the open button, just update the Facebook app. After you do that, you can simply open up your Facebook. And now to set C translation on Facebook app, what we'll do is we'll head over to our menu that is on the bottom right corner. Tap on menu, and now you'll need to head over to the settings. On the top right, you should find a gear icon. Simply tap on the gear icon to head over to settings and privacy. After you're there, scroll down under preferences. There you'll find language and region. Tap on language and region, and after you tap on it, there you'll find an option on the second that says language into which you'd like to have your post translated. Now simply tap on that, and after you tap on it, you will need to select any language that you want to see the translation of, or to which you would want to get the translation. Simply select that and tap on the save button on the top. After you tap on the save button, you can then head back. You can also choose which languages you don't want to be offered translation for. It's right here. You can set that up as well, and that's basically it. And that is how you set C translation on Facebook app. Now wherever you go and you find any post that has a caption or that has something on that is not English, you can just tap on the C translation button and it will get translated into English. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.